This is Brian from Outsider Productions, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can make some char cloth. So char cloth is used as a tinder, so if you're out wild camping in a wet area and you need to get a fire going, this will make it a lot easier for you. It takes a spark real well and will give you a longer burn than just spraying your ferro rod into your tinder. So I'm going to show you now how to process this. I'll actually use some char cloth to get my own fire going, and I'll show you what you need.
I'll just head in here and gather up a few materials.
Right, so first you'll need to cut yourself some cloth into strips. Remember, your cloth needs to be 100% cotton. Synthetic material is no good. So an old t-shirt or face mask should work just fine. I'm using some cloth which is used to wrap a roast ham. Next you'll need a tin like this. It needs to have a lid so that when it's shut, it's airtight. Put a small hole in the top. I used a nail to pierce the lid. This is done so that the tin doesn't become pressurized and explodes in your fire. We're starting our fire. I've laid out all the materials for you to see here. There's the char cloth, and I've also gathered up some spruce needles and branches, which you saw me get earlier in the video. And I'll also be using the good old firebox stove. Get my char cloth. Using the ferro rod, we'll put a spark in there. Just add some sticks. Next, put your tin into the fire with the hole up, and once you start seeing smoke coming out of that hole, your cloth is ready. So while we're waiting on that, I'm going to make a little brew. This method of starving the cloth of oxygen so that it doesn't ignite is called pyrolysis. Other similar fire starting methods include cotton balls soaked with some Vaseline. This, when properly prepared, will ignite with the slightest spark. Very effective, especially in harsh weather conditions. So my fire's died down, but obviously you want to protect your hands. And we'll wait for that to cool. Alright, the moment of truth. And there you have it, char cloth. So I want to thank you for watching this video. If what you saw is helpful to you, then please give us a like and subscribe if you want, as it will help out with the channel. And I'll see you on the next one. Till then, take care.